Move-in week meals should be simple, predictable, and stocked, so you do not rely on takeout while you settle in. Start by creating a short meal plan that covers 7 breakfasts, lunches, and dinners with repeatable items to reduce grocery variety and decision fatigue. Prioritize pantry staples such as pasta, rice, canned beans, canned tomatoes, nut butters, oats, and shelf-stable milk, or milk alternatives for immediate breakfasts and quick lunches. Pack and unpack an essentials kitchen box that contains 1 skillet, 1 pot, a chef knife, a cutting board, a mixing bowl, spatula, can opener, and reusable plates and cutlery, so you can cook basic 1-pot meals on day 1. Schedule a grocery delivery for the afternoon of your first full day and list fresh produce that stores well for a week, like apples, carrots, bell peppers, and a head of lettuce or sturdy greens. Plan 3. Go-to 1-pot recipes such as a tomato and bean pasta, vegetable fried rice with eggs, and a simple chicken and rice skillet. These recipes use overlapping ingredients to minimize shopping and prep time. Keep a couple of ready-to-eat items like rotisserie chicken, pre-washed salad greens, and pre-cut vegetables, so you can assemble meals without cooking when you are exhausted. People often try to unpack the full kitchen immediately, which overwhelms time and energy. So unpack only your essentials box first and put larger appliances on hold until the second day. Another common mistake is buying too many specialty ingredients that go unused, which you avoid by choosing recipes with shared ingredients and buying produce that lasts. A third issue is not having a backup plan when delivery windows are delayed. So identify 1 or 2 nearby grocery stores and a couple of affordable restaurants that offer balanced meals. Keep ready-to-eat items on hand as a contingency. We manage bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to make it easier for contractors to find work by listing projects and bidding opportunities. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and other members share moving tips, local service recommendations, and meal planning ideas for the first week after a move.